Dookie, is he doing it? Okay. Relax. Hey, this is me and my dog Duke. Duke is. Daddy, how old is Duke? Daddy, how old is Duke? Daddy, how old is Duke? He's 2 years or 3 years, I guess. I don't know, but no, wait. I think it's 2 years, I guess. Duke is a Chihuahua. Duke is a Chihuahua because he barks a lot. Because he barks our neighbor from next door. Because Duke he always cries a lot because of my parents. He cries, and he even cries about it. So about them. So Duke, what you doing? What you doing, Dookie? What you doing? What you doing? Come here. Good boy. You're so cute, Dick. You're so cute. Stop, Duke. Duke, what you doing? What you doing, Dookie? What you doing? Aw, now you're just itching your... Aw, so cute. That's so cute, Dookie. Oh, hey, sis. Hi. Bye. Meanie. Oh, okay. I'm making a video. Bye. Alright, back to Dookie. Hey, Duke, so what you doing? I know you love me very much. I know you love me very much. That you love mom, dad, grandma, Daff, me, Mark, and that's it. Okay? So Duke, excuse me. So look at his new color. His new color is right here. So my parents are watching. Duke, Daddy, Grandma, Mark, Daddy and Grandma and Daff are watching a movie. I watched a game show. It's kind of funny. See. Yeah. I know this experience, but I know you can understand it. So, goodbye. Ciao means bye. Byes.